First, the top news headlines. Construction of multi-story building in Imphal city to be allowed soon, says Syam Kumar. Narcotics worth rupees 29 crore seized at TOMTV Assam Rifles checkpost. And powerful bomb exploded close to Moreh police station. No casualties. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching News Today at 1 p.m. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Mahut and Town Planning Minister Syam Kumar informed that 7-story buildings can now be constructed in Imphal city area provided that a proper guidelines is in place. Addressing media at his official quarter located at Kanglapat, Imphal, Syam Kumar informed that under the building bylaws, the government official will start monitoring buildings in the heart of Imphal city under Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC from 15th of this month. He also informed that legal action will be initiated against building owner who do not abide by the laws in construction of Paka structures. He asserted the new proposal for permitting construction of 7-story buildings comes up after consultation with experts. But he appealed to the public members to obtain prior permission from IMC for construction of such structures. He explained that the move is in view of the increasing population and insufficient land space for agriculture purposes.
Labuk lamang singji koi thadok pe isagi lejeriba lamsing aduda koi matang sunana koi phajana expert haibadi koi gi architect tanabi la kanda sabagi ayabadu Manipur government gi mohdi pabne pire hajana ai media gi koi kuthang da praja myam da ai appeal tawjari bazamung leiba myam ji building by logi matungina post factory approval lobby gera e pasin tandra mai mai leibi jum sing sahi kya da sagi bino haiba myam sing du masana certify to bangam dra de koina expert ka ora kanda koi leiba yum yum tawro yenga gane adu leiba approval yaw da ba meet is license param da dukan kuti mok da koi ail gi mateng lawraga koi chap chana action lawba hawragani haidana koi mayam da ai warobi gano aduna koi isana semjarba ain mayam sing prajan sim ain mayam do koi tang 35 sidagi haiba municipality ek corporation ek asi ngakpi building biology koi ngakpi deba taradi isa san semjarkiba yajiba ain mayam do adu sayak to isa san phangani haidana ai medai kutang appeal to.
Troops of 12 Assam Rifles recovered 50 packets of brown sugar worth rupees 1 crore in the wee hours today at TOMTV post along Imphal Moreh Road. TOMTV falls under Tangnopal district's Moreh town bordering Myanmar. According to reports, the Assam Rifle personnel earlier noticed a suspicious-looking man moving nearby a forest in TOMTV area, and when they asked him to hold, the unidentified man fled the spot, leaving behind the contraband items. The recovered items were later handed over to Moreh police station. A combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moreh police arrested a woman drug peddler along with 4,000 pieces of WY tablets, 15.269 kgs of crystal meth, 2.206 kgs of ketamine, 194 bottles of fentanyl worth around rupees 28 crore. Rupees 49,000 in cash was also recovered from her possession. The arrested woman has been identified as Hahat Haukip, age 47 years, wife of Kamnik. As per reports, acting on a tip-off, the combined security team searched her house located at Moreh Ward number 3, Phaicham Wing supermarket, during which the narcotics were recovered, a police report said. Later, she was handed over to Moree police station for further investigation. A powerful bomb was exploded close to Moree police station last night at around 10. As per reports, some unidentified miscreants planted the bomb inside a drain located near the police station. The fence of the police station was partially destroyed in the blast. However, no casualties were reported. Officer in charge of Moree Police, Letkau Wi-Fi Additional Superintendent of Police Commando M. Amit and Colonel Sumit Sud of 43 Assam Rifles arrived at the spot to assess the situation. 2 man-made batteries were recovered from the spot. Reportedly, an FIR has been registered at Moree Police Station regarding the incident and investigations are on. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gaikangam today said that if we all follow Mahatma Gandhi's doctrine of life on non-violence without any prejudice, there will be prevail harmony and peace in the society. He said this during a one-day seminar held in connection with 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi under the aegis of All India Congress Committee at Congress Bhawan, Imphal. He stated that it is utmost important for every individual to learn and follow the ideology and thought of secularism for a peaceful and harmonious society. He further said that Mahatma Gandhi's teachings are endless and his ideology will remain forever. It is unfortunate that a person like Mahatma was assassinated, he said.
We should be good human beings. God-fearing, achumba pamba, shanti pamba, violence tukachana khanba, adugumba, mioina thalaba samas oibatabada, Malin oibatarabadi, Malin mase, in tapna, pandangani. Other than any teaching and philosophy based on truth and non-violence is nothing but it's a divine message.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. Coming up next, winner of Miss Fitness at Miss and Mrs. Iva India 2019, Charisma Lema Pokpam fitted.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km/h. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India FAME 2 certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bazaar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87-877-23780.
Welcome back. Charisma Lemapokpam, the winner of Miss Fitness title at the recently concluded Miss and Mrs. Iva India 2019 held at Mumbai, was felicitated today. Charisma is also the title holder of Miss Fashion Icon at Miss and Mrs. Globe India 2019 held in Delhi. The function was held at Sangai Hotel, Imphal. Today's felicitation function was hosted by former Mrs. Iowa India finalist Asakuran Konsam.
Iowa gi piriba kaino se objective se kaino habada akoina maruina nupi gi empowerment amagi oina saruk ta akoina awareness mayam ma jaga jaga chatana piba amasung nupi da awana ta bada akoina yare kai mateng pangba haidana sugumba akoi gi Delhi Mumbai da leiba CEO Madam Daljit Kaur ma masamag Iowa sigi chairman amasung CEO ni mana hariba message se tawraga India gi sin thungna hariba pageant ase contestant mayam ma laga sin khibani.
An unidentified body of a man was found this morning at Laifrakpam area of Wango in Thoubal district. As per reports, some passerby spotted the body. Further details are awaited. All Manipur Medical Students Association today organized a felicitation function for students who passed the MBBS entrance test. Speaker of Manipur Assembly Y. Kemchan, retired Professor Dr. Sinam Rajendra, Dean of Psychiatry Department, Regional Institute of Medical Science, Dr. R.K. Lenin, and President of AMMSA, Dr. Wairapam Rakesh, attended the event held at Hotel Imphal in North AOC, Imphal.
ngasi ji akhoi gi amsa gi 48 chuba freshers day pangthok chabani for undergraduate and postgraduate students thoramasi da akhoi gi anoba lakpa da welcome tawba oina ngasi gi thoram je pangthok chajabani.
A 3-day medical awareness program cum blood donation camp was organized by Naurim Youth Library and Development Organization NYLDO at NYLDO office today under the aegis of People's Resource Development Association, Bisnupur and Janims Porompat. Assistant Secretary of PRDA Dr. H. Romain, President of NYLDO Manglemba Naurim, and Secretary N. Susil Kumar were present at the program. Dr. H. Romain, who is also the Bisnupur correspondent of TOMTV, said that blood is essential to life and that even the advanced medical science cannot produce it. Hence, one should voluntarily donate blood, he urged. Dr. Roman further said that one can lead a healthy life by donating blood. As part of the program, a group discussion on the importance of donating blood was held.
Atau anak cancer gumba, natragana, bagi nupi sinanga guna gumba, natragai kau accident atau gumba, iya nasat kiu matamda, maut sinlaga, maduki sinna bakap ragati, pasien itu pasien ragati sigada oi mana, kau na adu gumba, matau kar matamda, maut kap na beda makta, iya se kau na daka pi bese daka oi ni.
Now let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Takadoriba ningol chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama fajom kurkur fajom amadi ready made fajom makal suna phangama mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom ge apama design kuding makki order sulokjari amtang lengsin biro Kwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdam gi oiba chanaba potlam sing online da Red Sopa gi khuthang da line phangbigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudong chaba su phangbigani. Delhi gi oina di iramdam gi oiba mana masing sing su phangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chaba su pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal visited erosion-hit Mirigaon, Tengavari under Chauba LAC in eastern Assam's Dibrugarh district. Sonowal took stock of erosion protection works being implemented by the State Water Resources Department. The official of Water Resources Department informed the Chief Minister that a scheme for installation of porcupines under State on Priority Development SOPD scheme of the state government amounting to Rs 3 crore is presently being implemented in the area. They informed that already 60% work against the scheme has been completed. They also informed that a proposal under SDRF with a project cost of Rs 5 crore has been submitted to protect the nearby Rongmola area from erosion. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assured the people of Mizoram that a special clause will be incorporated in the Citizenship Amendment Bill so that their state along with Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh are not affected by settlement of people from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan who are granted Indian citizenship. The three states are governed by the Inner Line Permit. It may be mentioned that ILP is an official travel document issued by the Government of India to grant permission for inward travel of the Indian citizen into a protected area for a limited time period. It is obligatory for Indians to obtain permission to enter the protected areas residing outside Mizoram, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Now we have sports news. More Youth Club MYC, under its newly elected coach, Samu Gangte, has scripted history by becoming champion in a foreign soil after beating Mohammedan Sporting Youth Club in a tie-break at the Thin Shwe Yi Football Tournament 2019 held at Tammu, Myanmar. More Youth Club defeated Mohammedan Sporting Youth Club by 5-4 in the final match played yesterday. Asian champion 31-year-old Gopi Thonakal finished 21st in the men's marathon race as India ended their World Athletics Championship campaign at Doha today. The 27-member Indian contingent was not expected to win any medal, but it performed better than expected in these World Championships with 3 finalists in mixed 4x400-meter relay, men's 3,000-meter steeplechase and women's javelin throw. Gopi clocked 2 hours 15 minutes 57 seconds to end among the top half of 55 runners who completed the race. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, India to build coastal surveillance system and Dhaka to provide LPG to Northeast states. Manpack warns against disastrous impact of CAB. Drugs worth Rs 28 crore seized. Stir affected LPG stock. The People's Chronicle. Manpack rejects special clause. Vows to sustain stir. Amit Shah avoids NRC. CAB issue at Mizoram. Clashes between NSC and IM Jet UF Concern Center. Chief Minister Biren yearns for loyal, selfless leader for happy Manipur. Implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill will not affect indigenous people of Manipur and other Northeast states as assured by Amit Shah, says Biren. Imphal Free Press. Amit Shah evades CAB issue sensing trouble. Home Minister greeted with mild protest in Mizoram. State cannot be developed without proper education, says Chief Minister. The Morning Bell. Go to Hills program has bridged hills and valleys, says Chief Minister. All Manipur Democratic Women's Association condemns molestation of minor girl patient at RIMS. Manpack lauds people for supporting anti-CAB protest. United Tribal Peoples Organization extends support to sandstone miners Bund. Huge catch of contraband drugs worth rupees 28 crores seized.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Construction of multi-story building in Imphal City to be allowed soon, says Syam Kumar. Narcotics worth rupees 29 crore seized at Kuding Thabi Assam Rifle checkpost. Powerful bomb exploded close to Manipuri police station, no casualties. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and have a good day ahead.